Good morning, guys. It's ATL. What's up, you guys? It's Codex41. What you guys been up to? Anything for Christian? Anything new? Anything sad? Well, right now, you guys, we are gonna get some things organized. Okay, but things are gonna be organized in this where we are gonna do. So we're gonna get some videos organized for you guys for next week. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'll talk to you guys when we get some stuff organized. So I'll show you guys some sneak peeks behind the scenes of what we're gonna do. So talk to you guys then.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. It's Code Dogs for One.
Guys, we are mixing a batter of corn dog meal and try and get everything organized this batter. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm stirring this right now, you guys. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm stirring this. The corn dogs that we're gonna make, you guys try and make. We have serious fish, we have carrots, we have pepperoni, we have peeps, and we have some pickles. So I'm just gonna finish off these pickles because I drained the juice. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So talk to you guys when I'm done eating the pickles. Cooking. I've never made corn dogs before, so this is something new. I'm testing out how I can do this much better. Maybe, I don't know. So I'm putting the corn dogs in. Kind of. I'm losing this one. I don't know how you do it properly. I don't know how Connies do it properly. I don't know. I have to figure that out, how to do it. I don't know. I don't really know how Connies do it, you guys. Comment down below if you guys know how you make perfect hot dog things with weird stuff. I don't know. So I used a whole bottle of oil, but I'm gonna save it for later, like some oil afterwards when I'm done this video. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll talk to you guys when I am watching. Right now, you guys, this I can't really show you guys the finished touch because it looks terrible. But hey, right now I'm just gonna cook something to eat because I'm starving, you guys. Let's eat Mexican rice. And what other things can we add to it? Probably some box of Kraft Dinner. Would that work? I think a box of Kraft Dinner will work. So I'm just grabbing a Kraft Dinner box right now, you guys. Good for the time being, but it's gonna be fun and exciting. So, I can't get this Kraft Dinner box. The very first one is out of the box. It's like so difficult because look, see, it's so, there we go. I got it out, you guys. When I show you guys, so much stuff. Let's get this going. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm cooking some rice. Add it to macaroni, and then that's all really. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. I made my Kraft Dinner with sour cream, so that's what we did. I did film there, so I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. And I tried to make a corn dog, but it didn't really turn out, so I'm gonna try to improve on that a little bit much better next time when I make corn dogs. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye!